Are you struggling to manage your sales pipeline? Or maybe you are an SDR or account executive who feels like deals keep slipping through the cracks? Well, today I'm going to break down exactly how to build and manage a winning sales pipeline step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know the stages of a pipeline, how to prioritize your leads, and the top mistakes to avoid. So stick around. This is going to change the way you sell. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a sales pipeline? A sales pipeline is simply a visual representation of where each deal is in your sales process. Think of it like a roadmap. Every stage takes your prospect closer to becoming a customer. Why is it so important? Because without a pipeline, you're guessing instead of selling. A good pipeline gives you clarity, helps you forecast revenue, and keeps you focused on the right deals. Now let's talk about the stages. While these can vary by company, here is a common structure. Stage number 1, prospecting. This is where you identify potential leads. Stage number 2, qualification. You confirm if they are a good fit. Do they have the budget, authority, need, and timeline? Stage number 3, discovery. You understand their pain points and goals through a meeting or call. Stage number 4, proposal. You present your solution and pricing. Stage number 5, negotiation. Handle objection and adjust terms if needed. Stage number 6, closed. Won or closed or lost. The deal is either yours or it's not. Every opportunity should live in one of these stages, not floating in your inbox. Okay, so now you know the stages, but how do you manage it effectively? Here are 3 big tips. Tip number 1, keep it clean. Remove dead deals. A bloated pipeline gives you false confidence. Tip number 2, prioritize by probability. Spend more times on high probability deals rather than chasing everything. Tip number 3, update daily. A pipeline is useless if it's outdated. Set aside 10 minutes at the end of the day to update it. Now, let's talk about the mistakes I see every day. Mistake number 1, stuffing the pipeline with unqualified leads. Quality beats quantity every time. Mistake number 2, ignoring follow-ups. If you're not following up, you're leaving money on the table. Mistake number 3, no clear next step. Every deal should have a next action date. If it does not, it is stuck. Here are a couple of pro tips. Use a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce to keep your pipeline organized. Automate reminders so you never forget a follow-up. And always review your pipeline weekly with your manager or team. Alright, now you have a clear picture of what a sales pipeline is and how to manage it like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more sales tips. And let me know in the comments, what is your biggest challenge with managing a pipeline? See you in the next video. Take care.